So it's the end of week 2, and this week kind of hasn't gone to plan, if I'm being 100% honest. So I was originally just going to go in with a week and go straight in and actually start recording the tutorials, but I kind of didn't do enough research of what I kind of thought I needed to do. So I went in and I did some research on more about what kind of views you can get, all about like the platforms of what I want to do for drumming videos, tutorials, what kind of views they get, and how they are presented on YouTube, but on a website as well. So there's kind of 2 different ways. So yeah, I kind of did a bit more research on that and just got loads of screenshots of different kind of view platforms that you can get, and how I'm kind of like then going on to present my videos. So yeah, I did a bit more research at the beginning of the week, and then I went in with doing the first tutorial video. I did it, and I used my phone, and I literally just put my phone up and did it that way. But after sitting down and having a chat with my teacher, he went, "You can make it more professional." So I kind of thought, okay, you know what, let's sit down, reevaluate. I did my first 2 tutorial videos, but I'm going to kind of use them as a practice run. So week 2 was a practice run. And now for week 3, what I'm going to do is change the plan up a bit. I'm going to actually use a professional camera, which I've got in touch with a photography student. He's going to let me use borrow his camera. I'm going to set up mics and record it into Logic. So yeah, it's kind of going to be more professional. There's going to be a mic set up. We're going to have a professional proper camera. And then I'll do a clap, sync the audio together when I'm editing it. And yeah, that'll kind of be the way that I'm going to do it now, is use that. I've got that camera for 2 weeks to do all my videos. So yeah, I kind of think I want to do it more professionally, because if it does have a chance to blow up, the potential views could be 1 million views on a video, 250k views. So you just got to show, like, if you're aiming for that higher viewage of your video, then you want to have a better quality video and a better put together professional video. So yeah, I think so. Next week, week 3, I'm kind of off track with a plan. So to reevaluate in week 3, I'm going to try and get 4 videos done. I'm going to try and get 4 videos done this week to catch up for what I haven't done in week 2. Because week 2 I did 2 videos, but they're going to be my practice ones to kind of, because I don't want to not put my effort into it. So I think I'll do that way, have the proper mic set up on the drums, and yeah, I think that's the more professional way to do it. So week 3, I'm going to try and get 4 videos done, to try and catch up for what I haven't done in week 2. Well, what I should have done in week 2, but kind of had a reevaluation. So yeah, I think it's a good learning curve for me though, because it's got kind of going like, okay, don't rush into it, because I was literally going to rush into it, get it done, but I think it's kind of gone to me, if you want to be proper professional and have it done, do it professionally, then you need to not rush into it. So yeah, this is where it properly starts now. I think that was kind of this week has kind of been a kind of a practice week, where it's if you're going to make mistakes, it's time to make them now. And it's kind of given me a way of how I present and use my language within the tutorials and all that sort of stuff. So I think, yeah, I think this week has been, I wouldn't say rough, but I'd say it's more like of a learning curve for me, really. But yeah, hopefully now week 3, it's where we properly get the stuff done and we're now down into the project. But yeah, end of week 2, review done.